Hello, I'm Mike Reed, Operations Section Chief for Rocky Mountain Team 3, and this is your operational update for Thursday, October 4th. I'm going to start out we do have some weather coming in. We're expecting some high winds, and we recognize that, and we're preparing for that appropriately. So up here in Branch 2, within Division Alpha, and divisions are how we break the fire up geographically. With Zulu and Alpha both are looking at some indirect line options down along the side here, and we've been scouting that out, and we've actually started putting some line in there and for possibly a future burnout operation, but right now we're just getting the line in place. But with the wind event coming in, we are really looking hard at our values at risk. Up in this area, we're looking at Little Bighorn Canyon, and we're even looking up into Montana. So if it does really get up and move on us, we're prepared and able to deal with it. Moving down, Division Papa and Division Mike both, this line has been looking great. We're actually going to fly this line, or a good majority of it, with a drone, UAS, with IR capabilities, infrared capabilities, and it detects heat. So we can really fly that along the edge to make sure that it's still really looking good and safe, and that we have no heat that's even being hidden from us. It will find that. So this is looking really good, and they'll continue to patrol and work this edge all the way down. Yesterday, at the mouth of Tongue Canyon, we did complete a burnout operation in there yesterday. It went very successfully. Today, they will continue to reinforce and mop up those lines. There are some values in there. There's some cabins up in the canyon itself, and as well as some of the structures that are down in here. So everything is looking good. They went inside and ensured that everything was safe around the cabins in the interior, and they're going to continue to do a lot of that today. We're also looking down with alignment with this northwesterly wind that eventually will come. We're looking at some of our values down to the southeast, just to ensure that we know what's out there and we have a good plan in place should this fire decide to get up and start running on us and moving. Moving down around into Branch 1 in Division Foxtrot, there's still been looking in here, but there's not a lot of opportunity. It's really steep. It's continuous timber. It's pretty thick, very thick actually, and decadent. So we're looking at options, and we're trying to game that out. But more importantly is we're looking at a lot of these structures that are down in here. They are putting structure prep in place, which could include hose lines, dozer line, or sprinklers. So if it decides to move, that we're prepared for that and we can put structure protection in place. The same thing over here in Division Delta. They've been doing a really good job in here with the structures around Burgess Junction, Bear Lodge, the work center in there. A lot of the same things they're doing structure preparation, sprinklers, hose lays, and dozer line in preparation for this wind event. Lastly, moving around back to the branch break. We moved that because there's a big drain in here, and the access this is all the way around north, and to get here, we have to come all the way around south, so those travel times are really long. But that's your operational update for today.